Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rena Chawla, faculty at Cerebellum Academy, and I'm very happy to have with us Dr. Shubhangi Yadav, who has cleared the FMG exam January 2026. And first of all, many congratulations, Shubhangi. It's so nice to have you here, and it's so nice to see you here in the same area, probably where you've spent the last 6 months. I'm just when I
Yes,
first saw you, I saw noticed the walls around you and the post-its and the notes, and
yes.
it's all like fitting perfectly for the interview today. So welcome,
Thank you, ma'am.
congratulations to you and to your family, and tell us a bit about yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm very honored and grateful. And first of all, I'm literally very grateful and honored to be interviewed by you. And it was so surreal moment when I actually found out that I passed this exam with a score of 162 marks. For me, it was very unbelievable experience. Like I didn't believe it for like a day, I guess.
Okay.
I was constantly checking it again and again whether I'm passed or
Uh-huh.
not. It's the same roll number or not. So yeah, it's still sinking in, and I'm very
Nice.
grateful for Cerebellum to each and every academy, like for to each and every faculty. I'm very grateful for the team also who supported us with the PDFs and everything on time.
Thank you.
I'm very
Thank you.
grateful.
There's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes also.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
I know I can understand.
Yeah. And tell us about a bit about yourself, Shubhangi. Where have you
So,
done
ma'am,
your graduation from?
ma'am, I graduated from Kabardino-Balkarian State University, Russia,
Okay.
and I started my preparation. I was preparing for my university exams from third year, and
Okay.
but it was not structured for FMG.
Okay.
So, after I graduated and came back to India, I started preparing for FMG. But I would say I was not in that zone of an examination, of a competitive
Hmm.
examination where I have to
Hmm.
study for 8 hours or 6 hours. I didn't had that
Yeah.
stamina for sitting.
Hmm. Okay.
So I couldn't clear in first attempt. But in second
Okay.
attempt, I literally had all my basics done. I did it from the
Okay.
scratch. I studied each and every subject. And
Hmm.
but the thing I lacked in the second attempt was practice for MCQs.
Okay.
So I noticed that I analyzed what were my shortcomings.
Hmm.
Where
Hmm.
where did I lack? So
Hmm.
in the third attempt, when I approached, uh, when I planned for my approach, so one of my friends just suggested me for cerebellum. And when
Okay.
I saw the academy, the faculties, it was all just great. So I just went with the mission plan without
Okay.
a doubt. And I was and I found it very structured. And I joined each and every live classes, almost
Okay.
all the LNPYQs I have attempted, gave all the GTs. I would say I have given GTs from November because a
Okay.
bit late because I found because the marks because I'm a person who would really get affected by the marks.
Okay. All right.
So yeah, so I started giving GTs from November and
Okay.
until
Once you were
December I
sure that
gave.
you've done the course at least once, that's when you started the
Yeah,
GTs.
yeah,
Okay.
because I really love the lab one, lab two, and lab three
Hmm. Hmm.
structure
The
plan.
concept behind
The
it.
concept, yeah, because every coaching has this first revision thing. Like
Hmm.
they would provide you the revision, first time they will teach you. They will hold your hands, but they won't
Hmm.
hold your hands till the last day. So Cerebellum held our hands till the very last day, till 16th Jan. Each and every faculty would come and tell us about this is important, the important
Yeah.
topics. At least devise
Yeah.
this a day before. And it was
Hmm.
just all perfect. And I'm just beyond words. I'm very
I'm
grateful.
very glad. I'm very glad your journey has been very inspiring. And so, what I think has helped you is what you mentioned that you followed everything to the T. So, the program, the lab one, lab two, lab three, the GTs. So, I get a lot of students who gave the GTs right in the very beginning. when they started their preparation. But this is something which I'm hearing that, and I do get this a lot, that students do get affected when their marks don't are not as much as they'd want it to be, and you do get demoralized a bit. I get this a lot, and it's very easy for us, on the other hand, to say they don't get affected. Just keep giving GTs, but that's also a very important aspect which you brought out, and
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, although they are important, but it's also important not to get affected by the marks. And as you're saying, you're planning that you started doing the GTs once you were very sure of the topics and
Yes,
the
ma'am.
subjects that you're done. And that's
Yes,
something
ma'am.
which I feel is a very important aspect, because it's very easy to feel disheartened, and it's very easy to feel overwhelmed कि शुरू में GTs दे दिया नहीं समझ आ रहा, then you get again, it becomes a vicious cycle. You tend to not
Yes, ma'am.
sometimes it becomes difficult. So I the planning was very good, and you've done awesomely well.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
what
I
is
would
your
like to
yeah,
mention one more
yeah,
thing.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
I was off track in the mid-December. I was
Okay.
completely off track for a week, I guess.
Oh,
I
okay.
like I would study for 4 hours only. Like I was a
Okay.
person who would study for 8 hours or at least
Okay.
9, 10 hours.
Yeah,
But then
yeah.
my my progress was not that much in mid-December.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
found I had this stressor. Like I would not. It was like एग्जाम सोचा कि मैम होगा नहीं होगा पता नहीं क्या है थर्ड अटेम्प्ट है मैम एक
Hmm.
अटेम्प्ट देते वक्त के बाद की भी आप एक बहुत बैकलैश हो जाता है कि you
Hmm.
just your belief system is completely shaken.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
तो उस टाइम फिर मैंने सेरेबेलम की हमारे में बायोकेमिस्ट्री की फैकल्टी डॉक्टर अंकुर
Hmm.
जैन सर,
Hmm. Hmm.
तो मैंने
Hmm.
उनसे शेयर किया था, उनसे गाइडेंस
Hmm.
मांगी, सपोर्ट
Hmm.
मांगा था, तो
Hmm.
उन्होंने
Hmm.
बहुत अच्छे
Hmm.
से सपोर्ट किया। बहुत अच्छे से बोलते
Hmm.
थे कि यार बेटा तुम इतना मत सोचो कि मैं सिर्फ 4 घंटे
Hmm.
पढ़ रही हूँ, just study for
Hmm.
2 hours and in
Yeah.
that 2 hours study happily। तो तुम
Hmm.
देखना तुम 2 घंटे नहीं तुम उससे ज्यादा पढ़ लो।
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that really helped me to make a short term goal, not for too much कि मेरे को
Yeah.
18 घंटे या 16 hours I have to study। I have to study for a short time and I have to be happy and study कि मैं जो भी पढ़ रही हूँ मन से पढ़ रही हूँ, and I have to be
Hmm.
happy at this moment
Hmm.
because I
Hmm.
can't
Hmm.
lose everything। फिर
Of
आखिरी में
course.
आके
I think
एकदम
that's
अपने
very
आप को
important, and that's excellent advice you got. And I'm glad you got that advice, because sometimes you just don't know कि क्या करना है. And I get a lot of messages from students. I try my very best. I don't miss a message. I try to reply. And I'm glad you got that help that was needed in a
yes ma'am,
very close to the exam, that too. And
yes
you're
ma'am।
able to come out of
So
it.
those
So,
last 20 days were very crucial for
yeah.
me. I would say the last month is very crucial for
Mm,
everyone।
mm,
Like
yes,
this
yes.
5 months, 6 months आप prepare कर रहे हो,
Mm,
1 year, 2 year,
mm,
but the
mm,
last
mm.
1 month is very important। You have to
Yeah.
keep a tunnel vision, you बोलते हैं ना,
Yes,
blank system।
yes,
So
yes,
you have to
yes.
ignore everything, the outer voices,
Hmm,
लोग क्या कहेंगे,
hmm,
relatives,
hmm,
people and
hmm,
everything कि
hmm,
होगा नहीं
hmm.
होगा। Just keep a vision, tunnel vision, and just अपना गोल सामने रखो, करते रहो। मैं
Right.
तो like I used to do I used to watch BTR videos and I used to have like मुझे
Okay.
ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे passively पढ़ना है, मैं थक गई हूँ या
Hmm,
मेरा ब्रेन उतना
hmm,
एक्टिव
hmm,
नहीं है अभी।
hmm,
तो मुझे
hmm,
जैनब मैम बहुत पसंद है, लाइक उनका वे ऑफ
hmm.
टीचिंग। आई एम वेरी
Right.
fascinated by her, डॉक्टर जैनब मैम। तो आई यूज्ड टू वॉच बीटीआर वीडियोस। और जब मैं स्टार्ट की थी तब तो मैं ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत लाइट रिक्रिएशनल ऐसे कुछ देखना रहता था मुझे। तो मैं
Hmm.
अपनी पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड देखती थी, लाइक हाउस
Okay.
एमडी आई यूज्ड टू वॉच। तो उसमें
Okay.
भी
Nice.
या so this time one question came from gynae कि
Okay.
AIS एंड्रोजन insensitivity syndrome का
Yes.
क्वेश्चन आया
Yes.
था।
Yes. Yes.
हाउस एमडी में भी उसमें वो बहुत अच्छे से
इसमें
बताया
है.
गया था हाउ दैट
Yeah.
46XY the person
Yeah.
is there, how beautifully it was। तो वो क्वेश्चन मुझे
Yes.
आया था एंड वो मुझे इतनी अच्छे से आया था ना, इवन मैनिफेस्टेड दैट क्वेश्चन कि
Okay.
ये
Nice.
तो आएगा ही आएगा।
Okay.
manifesting
Nice.
one
Nice.
question from this that really
Nice.
came and I
So
was so happy and I remembered you।
yeah.
like चलो
There are a lot of
Zainab मैम
things
से
which
क्वेश्चन
come
आ रहा है।
from unexpected places. And I try to
Yeah,
give examples, like I read a lot of books, read a lot of inspiring books from where you
yeah,
get, so books and movies tend to focus on rare things. And
yeah,
exams also tend to focus on rare things. I mean, especially when you
yeah,
have named things, ना काफी बार rare
yeah.
चीजें पूछते हैं, common भी पूछते
Yes,
हैं, rare
ma'am.
भी आता है. And then you remember these because
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have a certain image in your mind from that book or the movie that you've seen, or the, as you said, House
Yes.
MD.
इवन
So
आपके
that's,
क्लास के भी कुछ कुछ जो आपके वार्ड में जो होता था वो आपसे मैनेज
yeah,
बताते थे लेबर रूम के, लाइक पीपीआईयूडी के टाइम में द
yeah.
पेशेंट यूज्ड टू आस्क टू हर mother in law कि अब
Yeah,
कोविड
so
में
I
तुम तो that was
so
very
and this actually
hilarious and it
happens.
was,
These are
yeah,
actual scenarios which happen in my
yes,
day-to-day practice. So I try to, and that is how the exam is. To be honest, now it's all clinical, and the examiners are being asked to make questions which are clinical oriented, which are and image based. So they will make clinical oriented from their practice, and that is how what we see day in and day out, and that's how I try to incorporate teaching
yes,
into
ma'am,
making it, yeah,
yes, ma'am.
remember, easy to
So
remember.
all these things accumulated in one day, एंड वो
Yeah,
उस दिन आता है, चाहो आप मन में आपको रहता है कि नहीं आएगा, ये नहीं पढ़ा,
yeah,
ओके,
yeah.
एंड लास्ट डेज में ब्रेन ऑब्वियसली आपको जो नहीं पढ़ा है, जो आपका वीक है,
Hmm.
उस पर बहुत फोकस
Hmm.
करता है कि यार मैंने ये नहीं पढ़ा, मे बी यही ना आ जाए, बट यू हैव टू
Yes.
कीप अ बिलीव, अ लीप ऑफ फेथ कि चलो जो
Hmm.
भी आएगा
Hmm.
आई वुड
Hmm.
मैनेज,
Yeah.
आंसर्स ऑप्शंस मेरे सामने रहेंगे, उसमें से
Hmm.
एक मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है, टू एलिमिनेट द थ्री,
Hmm.
आंसर मेरे
Yeah.
सामने है, द पेशेंट इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी विद
Hmm.
फोर ऑप्शंस.
Hmm.
So that was the
True.
mindset on the day of examination. That is very
True.
important apart from the knowledge.
Yeah.
So all these things I didn't knew earlier. So I'm again very grateful to Cerebellum for guiding me,
I'm
for
glad
giving me.
we could, I'm glad we could help you on this journey. And again, as I said, it's a very inspirational journey. Many students have messaged me, ma'am, ये मेरा second, third, fourth attempt था. I don't know
Ma'am,
how
even
to
I have
move forward
messaged
from
you.
here.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Yeah, in the
So I don't
group.
know how to move forward from here. Then it is so such stories are going to inspire them to try better, to try harder, and that it is a doable exam. Yes, it is not an easy exam. I will not say it's an easy exam. It's becoming, in fact, more and more complex, and it's important to know how to tackle these questions. So thank you, Shubhangi. What is your future plans? आप क्या
Ma'am,
plan है आपका?
ma'am, Abhi, I'm looking very forward for the
Yeah,
internship
of
days
course.
and learning everything. And
Yes, that's also very
I'm planning
important.
to join the Cerebellum for the NEET PG.
Chalo, looking forward to teaching you again and meeting you
Thank you so
also.
much. Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am. It's lovely
Nice,
seeing you in all
nice
classes
talking to
also.
you. Yeah, nice talking to you, and
Thanks,
we'll
ma'am.
meet very, very soon.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Good night.